DJ Jamix.
What's up everyone? I'm gonna show you how to have infinite money, skill and level when you're playing ETS2 version 1.43, but this applies to all the other versions of the ETS. As you can see on the screen, there is a lot of money here and the skill level, of which this is what I'm gonna show you how you can achieve that. Alright, let's jump into it. You have to go to ets2planet.net and download an mod named ETS2 Infinite Money and XP. As you can see on the screen, it's downloading right now. Okay, let's open the folder where it is located. We're gonna cut that and paste it into the MLD folder. Let's open our ETS2 folder, go to the MLD subfolder, and then we just paste it right here. Right after that, we need to open our Euro Truck Simulator game. I fast forwarded this delivery just to make this video short. Right, we've arrived to our destination, and let me just reverse this truck right here so that I can offload it by pressing T. All right, so we have to add all our skills up to the end and then click on apply. So there you have it. We have acquired our infinite skill and money. Thank you guys for watching.